How to use Google Chrome offline. If you want to use Google Chrome offline, first of all depends upon what you're talking about. You have to understand that Google Chrome is a search-based browser. So whatever data it tends to get it has to retain from the internet. So without browsing across the internet, it cannot give you the data that you require. And to search that data, it requires an internet connection. However, you can use Google Chrome offline for some of the services that you might have. Like for Gmail or Google Drive, you can enable offline editing. For example, in my case, if I click on the extension icon from the top right and then I go to Manage Extensions, here you can see I've added a Google Docs offline extension, which means even if I'm not connected to the internet, I can go ahead and then go to Google Docs and edit a spreadsheet, and later when I'm connected to the internet, it will save those changes. So this is some of the way to do it. I hope the video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the